Hey gems, in this video I am showing you how to use Shea Butter as your parting product. It is good to use on anyone that is allergic to any of those braiding gels. It's just a good substitute for parting in general. I also showed how you use Murray's as well as a parting product. Using shea butter is way more healthier, I would say, than using those braiding gels. To be honest, you don't know what's in those braiding gels. I'm not going to say I don't use them. I'm not a hypocrite, but this product is good on my son, who is the model today. He usually breaks out into hives throughout his entire scalp, so that is why I've started using shea butter again for parting, especially with him as my hair client. And I also use like a leave-in conditioner or a cream, just soften his hair. Right here you see me using the Murray's. It's like a Murray's grease, and I use it as well as a parting product. You can use either or, but I just want to demonstrate how you can use it and how the outcome will be. As you can see, all his parts are crispy and nice. And I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that notification bell. And I appreciate you. Bye.